So
cute,
oh,
the
cause they have
sound,
different,
right?
have different meow, different voice.
Hi.
This was like
Oh, it's cute. I like the colors.
like
So
the sound,
cute.
no?
Mm-mm.
It's so soft.
Zane's really loud. JB's a little bit different. This is different too.
Yeah.
I
And
didn't
the
realize they have
and the
different
gray
voice.
and the gray cat too back there before, remember? It's
Mm-mm.
really weird sound. It's like cute.
Mm-mm.
Hello, you're so cute. I wish I had some treats for you. Oh. Hey. If I had no collar, I'd take it home.
Be careful.
It looks like it would just take to JB and Zane right away, you know?
Mm-mm.
Hi, little Annie.
He's probably hungry,
I
no?
don't have anything for you. I'm sorry.
Skinny. You need
They shouldn't
that's-
speed up here with their cars,
Yeah.
no? But I think they're this car smart anyway. They're gonna.
Stay at your house, okay? So you don't get hurt. Stay home.
It's like JB. I mean Zane.
Upstairs there.
Is this his house?
I think so. It
No, I
lives
think it's
here.
from that side.
On that side, right?
Stay at home, okay?
Leave it now.
Where's that dog coming from?
Stay there, sweetheart. Stay there.
Follow you now.
It's staying though. See, if you don't talk to it, it's gonna leave you alone.